Here, honey. It's the first time she's having pasta, little chunks that she's chewing. And so this is tomato, cheese, onion, carrots, and cream with pasta. And so, here, honey. Here, chew it, hon. Yeah, go ahead and chew it. Say, nom, 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 nom. I know it's strange, hon. That's what your teeth are for. Yeah. Chew, chew, chew. Here. There you go. There you go. Here. No, her little teeth were bothering her today a lot. So she's having something coming in. Here you go, honey. Just chew. Chew, baby. Yum, 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 yum. Chew, honey. Chew or just swallow. They're very soft. And it's all organic, earth best. There you go. Here, honey. Now just swallow it, baby. There you go. Nom, 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 nom. Ah! You're doing good. I know, it's weird, huh? It's good. That's what your teeth are for. Nom, nom, nom. Just chew. Honey. There. There. Here you go. I'm doing good. You do. Got Johnny Cash playing. Just chew it, babe. Chew it. Use your teeth. Almost done.
My good wife and them kids of mine, gonna get new shoes, come picking